Teach Me TV, back with another video. We hope all is well with you and yours. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. Today, I want to share 7 tips on why LinkedIn can help your business grow. We here at Teach Me TV want you to do things the right way the first time. So if you are ready and excited about that, hit the like button now. Let's go. Personal branding is the process of marketing yourself and your career or business to attract relevant opportunities. Marketing, in this context, means getting people to know, like, and trust you so that they'll eventually want to work with you or buy from you. On the other hand, content marketing is the strategic process of creating and distributing content to attract a targeted audience. And on LinkedIn, your content strategy has a huge role to play in successfully building your brand.
Here is what that means for you.
I'm going to list the 7 valuable tips that have helped businesses thrive on the platform LinkedIn. 1. Provide massive value. What will differentiate you from everyone else on LinkedIn is providing super valuable content that people cannot resist. I'm talking about providing learning and networking opportunities that are relevant and useful to your network. That people will be willing to spend 10 or 30 minutes, or even an hour or more, consuming your content or joining your event. Here are some examples of precious content that you could give away to or share with your LinkedIn network. Free ebooks, checklists, or worksheets. Live webinars. LinkedIn live events. On-demand webinars. Free consultations. Virtual LinkedIn local events. Free live coaching sessions. Those are just a few highly effective examples. Don't forget we have marketing tips and mentorship with a real coach. Just hit the link below for more information. Also, there are several courses in marketing help all in the description below. Tip number 2. Leverage industry influencers. Industry influencers are influencers for a reason. People follow them. Building relationships with influencers and mentioning them in your posts can help boost your visibility on LinkedIn. Tip number 3. Help others build their LinkedIn presence. While expanding your reach on LinkedIn by mentioning influencers who engage with your post is a good strategy, another strategy that works is the opposite. What I mean is, if you already have a vast network, why not leverage your network to help others build their LinkedIn presence? This is a win-win strategy. You win because you expand your reach to other people's networks, and they win because they also become visible to your network. It also helps you build a strong community on the platform. Tip number 4. Show empathy. Being aware of and sensitive to what is happening in your community when you're on LinkedIn is essential. This proved to be a super valuable tip when the pandemic began in 2020. People were losing their jobs at that time, employees were forced to work from home unprepared, companies were turning to their business continuity plans, and the general public was suggested to stay home. Tip number 5. Embrace vulnerability. Being vulnerable means permitting yourself to be yourself and showing up when needed. Being vulnerable also means showing up to your network as a relatable person who is not perfect, not all-knowing, and not worried about being judged by others. Tip number 6. Just be yourself. LinkedIn is not a place where people want to hear sales pitches all the time. LinkedIn is a place where people engage with other people who provide valuable content and whose stories resonate with them. And guess what? The more you share who you are, the more people gravitate towards you. And that means more opportunities for you to start conversations and build meaningful business relationships. Tip number 7. Reshare your top performing posts. Reposting your top performing posts will not only ensure you get a lot of views and reactions again, but it can also help you capture a whole new audience. So don't just post and forget. Instead, please keep a record of your top performing posts, and when the timing is right, go ahead and repost them. I hope these tips help you and your business thrive. We hope you enjoyed this video and as well as all the other videos on the channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We will see you on the next one.